Okay, so we're going to open up this potentiometer and see what's going on here. Already gone ahead and loosened the case. So this potentiometer was giving me some inconsistent values, and it was not getting below 2 kiloohms. It should be a 0 to 10 kiloohm potentiometer. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on with this particular device. Okay, so I was able to get the knob off there pretty clean. Just used to rotate. Let's see what we got here. So here you can see the wiper blade, and it looks like you can see some corrosion there in the light. There's some damage there, possibly from too much current. Same thing here, so you can clearly see some burn marks there on the central terminal, which is no doubt drastically increasing the resistance of this potentiometer, which is why it is no longer working for me. But you get a good sense of how it works as this central wiper moves along the track, changes resistance. Let's take a closer look at our potentiometer. So if we had a meter and we were measuring resistance, and we measured from this point to this point, we would always measure the max resistance of our pot. Now, if we measure from the central terminal, our resistance measurement is based on where our wiper is. The wiper can be anywhere rotated around 360 degrees of this potentiometer. Now, what does that change? That changes the distance, the path that the current can travel through. As we change the distance, we change the resistance. Now, if we measure from the central terminal and we've rotated the wiper of our potentiometer to the center or the midpoint, what we'd find is we'd measure half of the max value of that potentiometer. So if the max value of the potentiometer is 10 kiloohms, what we'd measure from the central terminal to either of our other terminals, we'd find that we'd measure 5 kiloohms.